Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD, and today we will learn how to make a cube in SolidWorks using Weldment command. So let's get started. Click on new part. Okay. Now go to Weldment. If Weldment tab is not activated, just right click on any of this and go to tabs and here Weldment. So click on 3D sketch. Select line command. Draw a line like this. Follow this dotted blue line. Join the point. Now escape key to out. Select these two lines, make parallel and equal. Again select these two lines using holding down the control key, parallel and equal. Now again select line command, rotate the sketch using cursor. Select this line, but it is not moving in right direction. Just press tab key on your keyboard. Now it is going in right direction and blue line is highlighted. Again press tab key. Just follow the dotted blue line. Escape key to out. We again select this line, control key, and select this line, make it parallel and equal. Again select this line, hold down control key and this line, make it parallel and equal. Now again select line command, rotate the sketch, draw from this origin, follow the blue line, join this point. Now escape, rotate the model and then select two lines parallel and equal and select these two lines, make it parallel and equal. Again select line command, draw a line from here to here and here to here. Again select these two lines parallel and equal and just give some dimension, let's say length 120 mm, height 120 mm, and this is width, so let's say 120 mm. As it is fully defined, exit the sketch, go to Weldment, click on structural member, select ISO. You can select any of this. I will select square tube, size 20 by 20 into 2 mm. Select new group. First we will select these four lines, upper four lines. Then click on new group. Then select bottom four lines. Again select new group. Then select this vertical four lines. See, the cube is completed. Now okay, and I will hide the sketch and give the color, let's say orange. Okay, now we will simply animate this sketch using go to motion study, click on animation wizard, select rotate the model, press next, about y-axis, next, duration 10 seconds and start time 0. Okay, finish. Then press play from start. As you see, we created this cube in less than 4 minutes, and thank you for watching the video. And I am weekly uploading SolidWorks video, so please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.